Let's make crane hook assembly in SolidWorks. Today we are going to create or animate this simple crane hook assembly in SolidWorks. We will create each and every part and assemble at the end, and even though we will make this exploded view at the end, I hope you like it. And if you want to download the soft copy, drawing copy JPG file, you can simply go to our Facebook page, and from where you can download JPG file. Crane hook drawing. Here we will create each and every part separately and we will assemble at the end, and also we will make exploded view at the end. Now this is our main drawing. If you check zoom note, all dimensions are in millimeter. Chamfer 1 millimeter into 45 degree scale 1:1.5. Okay. Now here we have table. We have all the almost 11 parts. Material mild steel. Mild steel normally a low carbon steel, so we will consider it as a plain carbon steel. And here we have quantity for this. Okay. Now we will start with first part, crane hook. You will see here the width of this 22 millimeter, and this is a kind of square. You will see here in right hand side, this is thickness 22 millimeter. Now comes make this anchor first. You will see these corner radius 25, distance 25 millimeter from bottom, cut to cut 100 millimeter end to end. This tip radius 25. See, this seems smooth, so we will consider this all edges are tangent together. Okay. Now you will see a height from here 43 millimeter, 32 millimeter up to this end. So let's do this. Now go to front plane sketch. Activate here center line. Draw one vertical center line. Now again activate line tool. Draw one vertical line. Go back to the point and draw one half curve. Again go back to the point and the line is converted into arc. Again go back to the point and line is converted into arc. Draw this. Press escape key to out. Okay. Smart dimension. Let me define few dimensions. Let's say 12 millimeter this corner radius, 11 millimeter, 5 millimeter this tip radius, this radius 25. Okay. I am going to define this point as a tangent, because if you don't define this tangent, it will be create a problem while making fillet. So this is important thing. Smart dimension. Okay, before going to make smart dimension, go to mirror entities, and I am going to select 1, 2, 3, 4 and this line. Make sure we selected copy mirror about this line. Okay, and I am going to close this line. Fine. Now we have closed geometry. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Press and hold shift key. Select the outer edges of this 100 millimeter. Okay. Okay, let's rotate something like this. Now try. Okay, 43. That's going to be perfect for our job. So we will keep this one as it is. Smart dimension. This is going to be 43 plus 32. Here we will do one thing. This is 25 coincide. See, now this is fully defined sketch. Extrude. Keep end condition mid plane. From start keep same 22 millimeter, and I am going to keep this one. Okay. Now at top you will see there is circular body 30 diameter, 20 diameter, 14 diameter, and there is M16 machine thread. There is a one hole 3 diameter from 7 millimeter, and you will observe 16, and if you calculate this one, this is going to be 3 millimeter, 31.5. So let's make this with the help of revolve boss base feature. Front plane sketch. Activate line tool and start from center. connect. Now we have close profile. Smart dimension, before going to make smart dimension, make this one construction line, and you will see if you move outside it will show you diameter 16, 14, 20, and the last one 30. Okay, now this length 16, 5, and this is going to be 3, and the last length 31. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Now go to feature, activate revolve boss base feature. Due to this construction line, this is open profile, so system asks you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. By default, system took the center line as the axis of revolution, and I want to make a complete 360 degree body. So system detect 360 degree, keep merge, otherwise it becomes body number 2. Okay, look here. Now corner fillet R3, R6, and this all we will make this hole, and activate fillet. Fillet type constant size, full preview, tangent propagation, and radius 6 millimeter, and I'm going to select both the sides. Say OK. Again fillet. This time I'm going to choose 3 millimeter constant type fillet and select this inside edge. OK. Now here we have to make one hole. Before going to make a hole, I am going to apply here thread. So I am going to apply machine thread because machine thread practically seems better. View, annotation, cosmetic thread. Now here I am going to select this edge, ISO standard, machine thread, and this is going to be M16. Up to next. Say OK. If you can't see, then just go to option, documents property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. OK. Now look, front plane sketch, activate here hole and draw one hole. 3, enter. Press escape key to out, and distance from outer edge 7. This is still not fully defined. Select center point, hold shift key, origin point, and make vertical. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Extruded cut. Now here I want to make throughout hole, so I am going to, in direction I am going to choose through all both. Say OK. Look, right click, material, edit material. Mild steel is low carbon steel, so I am going to apply plain carbon, apply, close. See, if you don't like this finish, we have option brush finish. Okay, this looks more visible. Save. Go to desktop, new folder, create crane hook drawing. This is the part number 1, hook. Save. Open new part. Let's make support plate. You will see 115 millimeter, center to center 75, corner radius 18. See here. Then there is a 315 diameter hole. Okay. Then at center these are 25. Then a 6 diameter 3 hole PCD. This pitch circle diameter 35, angle 30, and distance 32 millimeter from here, and 7 millimeter thick. Front plane sketch, activate line tool, start to make one triangle, Press escape key to out. Now select this point, hold shift key and origin point, vertical. Select origin point and this line, midpoint. This is important. Fill it. Now corner radius 18 millimeter. So select all. OK. Close. Now again apply distance. Hold shift key, distance from outer edge. You must hold shift key. 115. OK. Now center to center distance 76. Let me apply 3 holes. 15, enter. Now here draw one big hole and one small hole. Okay. Now select these 3 holes, corner holes. Make relation equal. Outer one, this is our PCD. Construction. Activate, draw one circle here. 6, enter. Press escape key to out. Now vertical, smart dimension 25, 35 PCD. Okay. Again we have to apply angle. (30°) and distance from bottom edge 32. Look, this is seems fully defined sketch. Circular pattern. Here I am going to select this center point. Here select pattern to entities, this hole. Now I'm not going to change this one. Angle I am going to keep 360°, equal spacing. Okay. Instances, number of holes 3. Rest keep as it is. Okay. If this is still not fully defined, make import few relation. Hold shift key, select this one, coincide. For this one, coincide. This is fully defined sketch. Extrude. Now here start condition from keep same, end condition or direction 1, mid plane 7 millimeter. Okay. This is also mild steel, so I am going to apply plain carbon. But appearance I don't want this, so go to appearance, edit appearance. Okay. Now let me save this one. Support plate. Okay. Now here the next part is anchor. You will see this is top view and this is side view. In top view you will see 46 square. So this is the square, and what is the depth of this square? You will see here 22 millimeter. Then there is one circular body, outer diameter 38, and this distance from outside to outside 31 millimeter. Then there is one hole cut out 32 millimeter, 3 millimeter depth, 25 millimeter. So let's make this first. Okay, let's use front plane, sketch, center rectangle. Now height 22, press tab, 46, enter. Right click, see, extrude. Now keep end condition mid plane and here make 46 millimeter so that we will get a perfect square. Okay, select top face, sketch, circle, and here draw circle and this diameter 38, enter. Okay, extrude. Now in direction 1 31 minus 22 divided by 2, 4.5. So in direction 1, 4.5. Here activate blind, moving in one direction. Activate direction 2. Here add, what is the thickness? This 22 plus 4.5. Look. So this is going to become 31 total. Okay. Fine. Front plane, sketch, line. Now I am going to draw one vertical line. Press escape key to out. Now this depth 3 millimeter. Now this is going to be 25 divided by 2. It's just half. Similarly for this, 32 divided by 2. Now here activate revolve cut feature. Now here we have to define axis of revolution. According to this, body will move. So I am going to define this as axis of revolution. This is going to cut in one direction. If we keep blind, it will rotate from one side to an angle 360 degree. Say okay. Look. Now corner fillet, there is a 3 millimeter. Okay. And after that, this you will see 10, 12. You have to expand in both sides. 2 millimeter is the gap after thread, and thread is what for M12. So 16 and this is 12. Okay. I am going to select right plane, sketch, line, and close. Press escape key to out. Select this line, construction. Now define. If move outside, it will show you outer diameter 16. For this one, I am going to keep 12. 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Now activate here revolve boss base. Now this is open profile, so system asks you, would you like the sketch to be closed? Say yes. And see, the center line is detected by system axis of revolution. 360 degree, a complete solid body. Say okay. Now here I am going to apply fillet. Go to annotations, cosmetic thread. Select this edge. ISO standard machine thread, size M12, up to blind. Here depth 10 minus 2, gap is shown 2. Okay. Documents property detailing, activate shaded cosmetic thread. See, front plane, mirror. See, front plane is selected. Feature to mirror, drop down and choose revolve boss base. Say okay. Look, thread also featured. Fillet, constant type fillet, and here radius fillet parameter 3 millimeter. And I am going to add both sides. Okay. Right click on material and here apply plain carbon steel. Appearance, you can directly apply, double click and it will apply directly here. And I'm going to edit appearance and I want to apply some dark color. Okay. Save. This is our part number 3, hook anchor. Let's make part number 4. 4 according to table and bush, we need 2 number mild steel. Okay. Now see outer diameter 52, thickness 5 and 7, 25, and there is a hole 16. See here. And there is a 3 hole 6 diameter PCD 35. Okay. Corner, there is a radius at corner. So I am going to select here front plane, sketch, activate line tool, close. Now draw one center line. Press escape key to out, select the line and activate construction line. Smart dimension. Select this one and select this line. If you move cursor outside, it will show you diameter. So 52. The inner radius 16. This outer 25. Okay. 5, and this is going to be 7. Now this is fully defined sketch because we have a relation with this coincide. Revolve boss base. See, axis by default system automatically took the axis 360 degree. Okay. See here. Sketch. Draw one circle. 35. Make sure these select here for construction. Again activate circle and draw circle at this 6, enter. Okay. This is fully defined sketch. Activate circular pattern. Here I am going to select this center point. Here number of instances 3. 360 degree equal spacing you must select. Here select pattern to entities. Select this. See 3 number of going. Now this is not fully defined. So create one relation. Hold shift key. Select this line. Coincide. Coincide. Look. Now activate extruded cut feature. And here select through all. Okay. See. Right click, material, plain carbon, appearance, double click, and it will apply. Edit. From here I'm going to apply, like, let's say red. Okay. Save. This is part number 4, end bush. Save. Part number 5 is plate spacer. 82 length, 18, 18. There is a thread M15, 22 millimeter this diameter, and there is a gap 5 millimeter. So let's do this. Front plane sketch, activate here line tool, and I am going to select press escape key to out of sketch. Now here we have to create many relations. First, press and hold shift key, select origin point and line and make midpoint. Okay. Now select these 2 lines. Press and hold shift key. Here we have to create 2 relations, equal and collinear in one line. Smart dimension 82, 18 millimeter. If you make this line as a construction line, smart dimension, select this line, and if move cursor, it will show you diameter 22. For this line 15. See, revolve boss base. Now this is construction line, that's why system asks you, would you like to close? Say yes. See, system detect the axis of revolution and make a complete solid body with 360 degree. Keep end condition blind and move as it is. insert, annotations, cosmetic thread. I'm going to apply this side, ISO standard, machine thread, and here I'm going to apply. Okay, if you don't find M15 here, no problem. Standard, choose none. And here for M15, what is the pitch? 13.8. This is the minor diameter I am going to keep for this. And for here 18 minus 5, it's 13. Okay. Okay. Option, documents property, detailing, activate shaded cosmetic thread. Similarly, I am going to apply another side. None. Here 18 minus 5, 13. 13.8 is minor diameter, say OK. Right click, material, plain carbon steel. Edit appearance, and this is going to be our OK. Now let me save this one, plate spacer. Now next part is part number 6 is bush brass, one quantity. See, 32 millimeter outer, there is a hole, 20 diameter hole, diameter symbol missing here, 3 millimeter this depth, overall length 25. Okay. Front plane sketch. Now activate line tool. Okay, let's select okay. I want one center line also. Okay, let's apply distance. If move cursor, it will show you diameter 25, inner one 20, this outer one 30, this depth 3, and distance from overall length 31. Okay, make one relation. Hold shift key, select this line and this one, coincide. This is fully defined sketch. Go to feature and use revolve boss base feature. Now activate, by default system took this line as the axis of revolution and it creates 360 degree. See, 360. If you make it 180, it will show you only half. So I want to make 360 degree. Right click, edit material. Material you have to apply brass. Brass you will find copper alloy. Brass. You will see the all property. This mass density 8500 kg per cubic meter. Apply, close. Edit appearance. Okay. Dark color make more visible. Bush. Now let's make part number 7, lock nut M12. Outer diameter 25. There is a hole M12, threaded hole, depth 18, and corner chamfer 1 into 45 degree. And there is a one key slot, 4 number of key slot, 4, and this corner to depth 2 millimeter. Okay, let's front plane sketch, activate circle, and make diameter 25. Extrude. Here simply make depth 8 millimeter. Okay. Now let's make chamfer before going to do anything. Here keep chamfer type, angle distance. Here directly put 1 millimeter 45 degree, and here chamfer item. I'm going to select this one because I'm going to make a hole here. Now select this face, sketch, select outer edge, convert entity, line, okay. Again let me draw one center line. If you move cursor, you will find a midpoint of line. So connect midpoint and this line, press escape key to out. If you select this line vertical, 4, 2, see, trim entity, just activate power trim, just press and hold mouse and drag. See, outer line is trimmed and we have one close profile. Now activate here extruded cut feature. Here I am going to choose either through all or either up to next. Up to next also means this is going to cut up to here. Circular pattern. For circular pattern, I am going to activate temporary axis and choose this temporary axis. Equal spacing, angle 360 degrees so that it's become full. If you keep 180, see, it will adjust it in half of the body. 364 number of instances. Feature to cut already selected. Look. Hole wizard. Here select tabbed hole, ISO, bottoming help. I want to make throughout hole. This is going to be M12. Simply choose M12. Up to next end condition. Here with thread call out. Say position, select the face and place at center. Press escape key to out and just see the preview. Say OK. Now if you can't see thread, just go to option, documents property, detailing, activate, look. Right click, plain carbon steel, edit appearance, and this color we given this one. Okay, save. Lock nut M12. Lock nut M15. See, depth circle 27, depth 8 millimeter, and chamfer is same. This cutout also same. Only the difference is diameter and M15. So let's see what possible. We already saved. Let me select the first option. Make this one 7. Enter. Okay. Chamfer we will keep. This cutout also we will keep same. Circular pattern also tabbed hole. Open. Now this is I want 15. 15 is not here even in any standard. DIN, topped bottoming hole. So let's go for 16. Up to next. Position. Okay, it's already there. Say okay. Look. Okay, the diameter also we need to change. 25. So diameter, double click. 27. See. Now don't save this one. Just simply click save as. Lock nut M15. Save. Now lock nut M16. This is 16. We will keep as it is. 30. We will increase this diameter. This is 15 millimeter. Okay. And there is one hole. Chamfer same 1 degree. And this is also a 3 diameter hole. Okay. We forget to add hole dimension. So we will keep this one 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter this one. Okay, let's see what we can do. First, we will change diameter. Double click 30, enter. Just refresh and it's become big. Okay. Again select or even to edit, and here from 7, 15. Okay. Look. Cutout same, chamfer same, circular pattern also same, and even inside hole also same. What we have to add? We have to add one hole here. Three, enter. Smart dimension and distance from this edge 6 millimeter. This is fully defined sketch. Extruded cut and make here through all hole. Okay. Now material already plain carbon steel. Appearance I am going to change this one of temporary axis. Now this one save as. M16 lock nut. Now open M15. This color we did not change, so click edit appearance, yellow, save. Now this one save it. Let's make the last part washer 30, and there is a 17 diameter hole 3 millimeter thick, and there is one bolt, and this bolt M6 12 millimeter is the depth. We will directly take from the system. Front plane sketch, activate circle, and let me draw here 2 circles. Press escape key to out. Activate smart dimension, the outer radius diameter 30, inner one 17, enter. Now activate here extruded boss base feature. And how much thickness? 3 millimeter. Keep end condition blind. This is moving in perfect direction. Material plain carbon steel. Double click. Appearance. And this is also I am going to make dark. Let's save. Washer. Let's go for assembly. Now let's start assembly of crane hook. Now this is the assembly part. Now this crane hook is going to rotate in 2 direction. Okay, so we will, and these 2 plates are going to fix. So first we will import this plate, then these 3 spacer plate, then there is a washer, and there is a lock nut M15. At center you will see there is a end bush. This bush goes inside, and there is a lock M12 lock, and 3 bolt we will import from system, and similarly in another side. So let's do this first. File, open, and here go to assembly, open. Now these parts already we made, that's why it's open. So first we are going to open support plate here, open. Now if you place, it will, if you click somewhere else and it will place, but I don't want, I want to fix at center. So here drop down and here activate origin point. Okay, again I want to rotate this. So which axis? Y axis. Rotate Y axis. Okay, if you move cursor, it will going to fix origin point. Move origin and see this is going to fix. Click and this is fixed. Uncheck. Now all the geometry going to be placed near to this. Open. Now next we are going to place plate spacer. If you don't see here large icon, now this is going to be more visible. Spacer plate. Okay, just okay, this is perfectly aligned, so we don't need to apply any degree. Just click somewhere else. Now activate matte. Now select this circular body and this hole. Now system detect and create concentric matte. Okay. Now select this face and this face, and this is going to apply coincident matte. Okay. Now these three holes also going to fix with this. So there is one command called copy with matte. Select part. Here see arrow. Next, first relation I am going to select the hole. Second relation wall. So select this wall. See, click yes. Again it will ask you, would you like to do more? So I am going to select this third hole and select this backside wall. See, this is going to fix. Say OK and close. Now import component. I am going to select this end brush. Open. Now just rotate. See this circular part going to inside. So this is perfectly placed somewhere here. Matte. Now select this hole and this one. System detected concentric matte. Okay. Now rotate. Backside wall and this wall. Okay. Now there is a hole. See. So here select this face and this face. Coincident. Okay. Look. This is perfectly applied. Now bolt we will fix at the end. Now this time let's say washer. Open. Now we need to change angle for the washer. So I am going to change Y. Click and rotate. See. Matte. Select this face and this internal face. Concentric relation. Okay. Select this wall and back side of washer. Okay. Coincident matte. Now I want to make multiple. So similarly I am going to apply copy with matte. Component. Next, this one circular concentric relation. I am going to select this one and this wall. See, both apply. Okay. Again ask you, so select this third one and this wall. See. Okay. Cancel. Component. Now for this yellow lock nut M15. Okay. Now I want to rotate it, so Y axis. Okay, this is perfectly matte. Select this cylinder, circular body, circular face and this circular face. Concentric matte. Okay. Just rotate outside. Select this face and this face. Coincident matte. Okay. Okay, let me perfectly align something like this. Copy with matte. Select the part. Next. Now concentric relation. So I am going to select this hole and this face. See, both apply here. say OK. Again for third, select this circular face and this washer face. See? OK. Cancel. Now let's mirror this. Select this one, spacer plate, and what is the mid plane for this spacer plate? Right plane. Now drop down this and here you will see mirror component. Select mirror component. Here select all the component which you want to mirror. So first this plate, this one, washer and nut. OK. Select here next. See, plane already selected. You will see the preview. Just check preview exactly everything applied or not. Even though we can change it from here with the help of orient component. OK, let's say OK and we will check. OK, everything is on there. Let me save this. Crane hook assembly. Okay. Now let's browse component. Open. Now this position we have to change y-axis. Change. Okay. Insert component, bush. Okay. Insert component, hook. Open. We need to change y-axis. That's it. Met. Select this face, coincident. Now this is going to sit, this face going to sit inside of this face. Okay, look. Now drag this, select this one and select this one. Concentric mat. Okay. Now this is going to, this face going to sit with this face. Coincident mat. Fine. Now select this face and this face. Concentric mat. Okay. Now here going to advance width mat. Here we have to select two face width, two face width. The first face I am going to select this inside face. Now in second I am going to select 1 and 2. See, this is going to align at center of the body. Say OK, close. If you check, see, this is going to rotate like this. Even this is going to rotate like this. So this is going to rotate in two directions. See. Okay, let's fix some nut here and nut bolt here. Insert. Lock nut M12. Because this is M12. We have to rotate. So y-axis. Okay, perfectly. Mat. Select this one and this hole. Concentric relation. Just drag, select this face and this face. Okay. Fine. Now I want to fix bolt here. So go to toolbox, add in now, and go to ISO standard, bolts and screw, hexagon bolt and screw, hexagon screw grade C ISO 1048. Okay, just click and drag and move around circle, and see this is going to, once you move around circle, then move around face, fix, click leave, it will show you this option. Now here M6. Now for length, you will see this thickness 5 millimeter and this 7 millimeter and 5 millimeter. So length we will decide from here. Check M6 for washer face 12 millimeter. Okay, and cosmetic thread. Say OK. Once you say OK, it will ask you, would you like to put? So just make your cursor over hole. Once you fix hole, just move cursor over face. Click. Hole, face, click. Press escape key to out. See? Now just rotate to properly fix, otherwise it will touch. This is very cut to cut design. See? Now this is also going to fix. Select this one, spacer plate, right plate, mirror component. Now let me select 1, 2, 3 and this one. Next, you will see the preview here. Say OK. Okay, that's fine. This is fully functional. You will see the hole up to flash to this wall, not beyond the wall. Normal face. Okay, let's fix inside. Now here I am going to bring one washer. Now here I am going to select X-axis rotate. Perfect. Met. Inside hole and this. Say OK. Okay. Drag. Okay, fine. Backside face and this sitting face. This is going to sit here. Okay. Import lock nut M6. Okay. Now we need to rotate X-axis. One more time. That's it. Because this chamfer side should come up. Met. Select the hole and this one. Coincide. That's fine. Now here we have hole. So we have to check. Just rotate this. Okay. Now come down. Okay, let's do this way. Select the hole and select this hole. Now see, both going to coincide each other. Say OK. See, the hole also, it is going to sit with this. Look. Now I am going to okay, let me do one thing. Front plane, press Ctrl key, select this and here choose Met. Parallel, say OK. Now you can rotate only one direction. Now you can rotate this, select this face and this face going to parallel each other. OK, cancel. In matte option, come down. This both you can suppress because this should be moved freely, no? I think we fix all the parts. Let's save. Okay, take one position because I'm going to make a exploded view for this. Save this position. Now activate here exploded view. Now select the parts which is going to explode. First, washers or bolt. Now see all three selected, add to step, rotate or translate, drag this side. Now here select done. Now select this one, drag, come down, select done. Now I am going to select these three bolts, nuts, actually lock nuts, drag. Which location is going to perfect? Okay, this one is perfect. Done. Then comes to washer. Up to this face, come down, done. Now the center part, drag, make sure not going to met or collide with them. Okay, done. Similarly, okay, let's drag little far, make it done. Drag near to this, done. Now let's move, and this is also done. Let's make these three washers. Drag, there is a scope, done. The last option, plate, done. Now plate, go back, done. Now select these spacers, plate, move, done. Select this one, comes here, Done. Now select this one, take up. Done. Washer, take up. Done. Now what else? Okay, this cap, sitting cap. Done. This one goes down. Done. The last one I'll make down. Done. Click OK. Now right click, collapse. Right click, animate explode. Look, one way only. If you like to save this option, MP4 16 by 9 50. Save. See, the system going to save this option. Now this is already saved. Cancel. Right click, collapse. See here. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.